Here's a Cadillac to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1970 Cadillac Eldorado. Two-door luxury coupe. Cotillion white. Red leather interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Chrome. Bright work up front. Of course, a 500 cubic inch V8 lurking underneath this hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. It will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com, as you can check out all the still pictures. Be able to see close-ups of the wheel covers, just like that right there. The underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Probably close to 100 pictures of this vehicle online. As we take a look down the passenger side, you can see how nice and straight these long panels are. Believed to be original miles, a little over 40,000 on this. Again, red leather interior. Extremely nice shape. Dash does not appear to be cracked, faded, discolored, or anything. Take a look at the black vinyl top. Also in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Very cool looking tail end to the 1970 Eldos. You gotta love those tail lights. It's a narrow strip. Vertical at the end of the fender. Very cool. And again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. A few little blemishes in it. You kind of see a little bit of a scuff mark there. Touch up here and there, but nothing real major as far as nicks, dings, or scratches. Be a fun car to get in, drive, or go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Maybe you just want a luxurious car to have a little fun driving. So take a look down the driver's side here. And UniqueClassicCars.com, as we check out all those still pictures. Definitely take a look at the underside of this car. And we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to see this car yourself, maybe due to distance or time. Like I said, open door policy for those guys. Want to come in and inspect it for you, report back. Of course, power windows, power locks. I have had the wipers working in this one. And take a look at this armrest. Appears to all be original. Again, just kind of the lack of wear or any discoloration, cracking. Kind of what you see typically on these due to age and use. Take a look at the seats. Not a lot of wear there either. But the headliner. Good look at the headliner. We're going to start it up, seeing here at Run also. The radio I get to power up where it lights up, but I've not had it actually working. So there's believed to be original miles right there, 47,458. Unfortunately, I cannot confirm or deny that due to the fact once the car is so old, it is not going to stay with the title. It's just going to be marked exempt, so it doesn't follow the title along down through the years. As you can see, starts easily. 500 cubic inch V8. Get a little closer look at the dash here, and again, no real cracks. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Dual exhaust. It's kind of cool how this hardtop is too. This is actually a partial window back here that actually slides back this way or comes out. The power windows obviously do work. All right, let me pause this 1 second. Let's pop this hood. Check out the engine bay. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean. And here's that engine bay. Very stock looking. You can see just not much for corrosion, rust, anything underneath here. Once again, 500 cubic inch V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. There's also a battery disconnect here. You have it in storage or maybe in between drives. 1970 Cadillac Eldorado. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in, you can do that at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Cadillac Eldorado. Very nice looking white on the outside and red interior. Both our turn signal indicators are working. The speedometer is working. Good power from this engine. Nice acceleration. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. If I let go of the steering wheel, it stays perfectly straight in the lane. Cruise control is functioning. Radio does pick up some AM stations, so the radio is working. I'm getting a little rattle. If you can hear that, that's the speedometer. At certain speeds there will be a little bit of a rattle. Fuel gauge is reading 1/4 of a tank. That's the only gauge we have. The rest are lights. Power windows are working great. Our windshield wipers also functioning. Brakes are working. Let's go around the roundabout here. A luxurious ride, corners as you would expect. Very smooth ride out of these cars. Hardly tell there's any bumps in the road. Take a look at all the pictures and details of this Eldorado at uniqueclassiccars.com.